Hi everyone! In this video you will see how to crochet my unique stitch pattern. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. You can choose your favorite color of yarn and your favorite crochet hook. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet unique stitch pattern. My pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. Make a foundation chain, multiples of 4. I will repeat my pattern 4 times in a row. So I'm using 16 stitches for my unique stitches, and I will add 2 stitches for a more beautiful look. And let's make the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. My foundation chain is ready. Then I continue working on my pattern. It is going to be a row of half double crochet. For this, chain of 2 to bring up the yarn over the hook, insert the hook, I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook, make half double crochet, and make half double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Here what I have at this point. Once I have done the first row, it was a row of half double crochet, then chain of 3 to bring up the yarn for the next row, and turn the work. And now I show you how to make the interesting stitches. Yarn over the hook, I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the double crochet, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. 1, 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. I do not finish my double crochet, then pull through all loops on the hook. Continue, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the last double crochet, pull up a loop 1, 2, and pull through. Make a chain. My unique stitch is ready. Yarn over the hook, I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the 3rd stitch, yarn over the hook, make double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the double crochet, pull up a loop 1, yarn over the hook, and 2. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then pull through loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the last stitch of these 2, pull up a loop 1 and 2. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. The second stitch is ready. It is very easy to make. Yarn over the hook, I skip 2 stitches, insert the hook into the 3rd stitch, make double crochet. Let's repeat my unique stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, make double crochet, not finish. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the last double crochet, pull up a loop 1, 2, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain, yarn over the hook 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the third stitch, make double crochet. Keep working this way till the end of this row. In your case, it could be more stitches in a row or less. Once I have done all 4 my stitches, let's complete this row with me. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the third stitch. This is the chain stitch. Before I skip it 2 stitches, make double crochet. My second row is ready. Here how it looks. It is very beautiful and unusual at the same time. It is going to be a row of half double crochet. In general, this is the row 3, but in the pattern, this is row 2. For this, make chain of 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make half double crochet, 1, and the second half double crochet. I will work with tops in the stitch. In total it should be 3 of them. They are 3 tops in my unique stitch. In total it should be 4. 2, 3, and 4. As I told you before, in total it should be 4 stitches on each unique stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Let's count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make half double crochet. Don't forget about the last chain stitch. My second row of the main pattern is ready. In general, this is row 3. Let's repeat my unique stitches. It is going to be row 4 in general. This is one side, and let's look at another one. I like both of them. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make double crochet, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the double crochet, pull up a loop 1, 2, 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the last stitch, pull up a loop 1, 2, pull through loops on the hook, make a chain, yarn over the hook. I skip 2 stitches and double crochet into the third stitch. Here what I have at this point, my first stitch in this row is ready. Let's repeat. Yarn over the hook 1, 2, yarn over the hook and double crochet not finish, pull through loops on the hook, make yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the last stitch. 1, 2, pull through, make a chain. So you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. So my swatch is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 4 stitches. All information about the tools, kind of tools, could be found in the description of each video tutorial. I remind you, I like both sides of this pattern, but you can choose only one that will be like a front side. So this is double-sided pattern. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this pattern. I remind you, this is my unique stitch pattern I created recently for you. Bye!